Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a slow motion video on TikTok. So if you want to create a slow motion video on TikTok, first of all open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok application, tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom and then upload a video. So after selecting a video, tap on next and then tap on edit which is on the top right corner and then select the video. Now after selecting the video, tap on the speed icon which is on the bottom and then choose the speed that you would like to add in your video. If you want to slow your video, you can drag it towards 0.1x, or if you want to speed it, you can drag it all the way to 10x. So this is how you create a slow motion video on TikTok. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.